Founded in 1998, Highlight Manufacturing Corporation Limited has been in Shanghai for over 16 years and factory rooted in Jiangsu Province. Our company has grown into a mature role in designing and producing complete series of EAS system, accessories and people counters for global customers. Our company keeps its pace with world's latest technology and provides after-sales technical services. Also has the qualification to partner with global leaders in EAS field. ISO factory and products are CE, UL, ROHS, SGS approved, make both clients and ourselves confident in its quality. Welcome to Highlight, an Alibaba more than 10 years golden manufacturer.